Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer number of productivity apps out there? With so many options to choose from, it can be difficult to find the perfect tool to streamline your workflow. And if you're like most people, you're probably wondering, can I download Notion for free? Notion has been making waves in the productivity space, offering a versatile platform that can be customized to suit your specific needs. But with so many features and integrations, it's natural to question whether this powerful tool comes with a price tag. The short answer: yes, you can. Free plan overview. Let's cut to the chase. Yes, you can absolutely download Notion for free. The free plan offers a solid foundation for individuals and small teams, providing access to essential features like note-taking, task management, databases, page templates, collaboration. What's included in the free plan? Note-taking. Create and organize your thoughts, ideas, and projects with ease. Task management. Set deadlines, assign tasks, and track progress. Databases. Build custom databases to store and manage information. Page templates. Access a variety of pre-designed templates to get started quickly. Collaboration. Share your work with others and collaborate in real time. Limitations of the free plan. Storage and file uploads. While the free plan offers a decent amount of storage, you may encounter limitations if you have large files or need to store a significant amount of data. Workaround. Consider using cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox to store your files and link them to your Notion pages. Advanced features. If you require more advanced features like premium templates, integrations, or unlimited file uploads, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Cost-benefit analysis. Evaluate your specific needs and determine if the additional features justify the cost. Should you upgrade to a paid plan? Factors to consider. Team size. If you're working with a large team, the paid plans offer features like unlimited team members and advanced collaboration tools. Data storage. If you need to store large files or a significant amount of data, the paid plans provide more storage capacity. Advanced features. If you require premium templates, integrations, or other advanced features, the paid plans offer a wider range of options. Recap. In conclusion, Notion offers a free plan that provides a solid foundation for individuals and small teams. While the free plan has some limitations, it's a great starting point to explore the platform and see if it's a good fit for your needs. Call to action. If you're ready to give Notion a try, visit their website and sign up for the free plan. Start exploring the platform, experimenting with different features, and see how Notion can help you streamline your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.